Today we are going to fit a 09Design coolant cap. We're going to fit it to a Mark 7 Fiesta, but this fits multiple different vehicles and the process is exactly the same for all of them. Simply remove the standard one. Now, before we fit this one on, it's worth just noting, if you look closely at the back of the bottle, there's a little locking tab, and during the development of this product, we realised that even for the same vehicle, so one Mark 7 to another Mark 7, one Mark 8 to another Mark 8, these tabs were not the same height, and it meant that the cap didn't lock into place properly. So what we've done is we've created it so it's a semi-interference fit. So when you fit the cap, so you'll hit basically a stop. There'll be a slight bit of resistance. And if you use your 09 key in the top, you can just click it past the locking tab and it should lock and it will be straight. The first time you do this, it will feel quite tight, but I promise it will go. And then after that, you can hear the locking system works correctly. And it's as simple as that.